Good afternoon, good afternoon. This is Venus with No Mess. If you like this content, please hit the like button, please. I want to come on here. I want to show you this video about this lady that got almost handcuffed, almost put down by mistake. What happened was the police were looking for someone else. They were chasing someone. They got away. They end up at a location and thought it was the same person. So I'm gonna let you guys take a look at it, and I just pray and hope some young ones is on here so they can watch how this lady handled everything. Only thing I didn't like when the baby was crying. Okay, it scared the mess out the little child. But young people, if you get stopped by the police and you know you're in your own right, follow the protocol. It just might save your life. So let's look at this together in our chat.
Cases here just on the east side.
Yeah, we just need somebody. One of them can come over with us. We need somebody to probably stay over here in case he gets back out and jumping right behind him.
Yeah, if hey, somebody cut right here and go to the other side to see where it goes.
Three little corners.
Yeah.
L1 is aware and he's 1019 also.
I'm listening to you. Shane. Schwab, you gonna go straight?
Oh yeah. Just let me go straight there and I'll jump in front of you.
Okay.
No. That's why I ran there. I've already going home. I got this.
Shane, you and me want to go right and go in on that right side there?
Are you going to go straight, Randall?
Yeah, I'm going to go straight. We're going to go ahead and try to take it down there.
I mean, if he's there, we need to make sure he's in the car, though.
Yes. We need somebody in the car.
You just want to block the exits and shut it down, or what do you want to do?
I mean, can we exit in this gas station, the front door here, and then the one on the right?
Do you want to shut down the parking lot, though, or nope, the car can't leave and nobody can get out?
Yeah, well,
it shows this kind of exit going to Futural Drive and Weddington.
Yeah. All right, you can see it. Yeah, Hey, don't do anything unless there's somebody in the car.
Looks like there's a female standing on the passenger side.
Oh, is that it right there?
I think so. Tell you more about the car.
Yeah, it is.
It's a white Lincoln.
Yeah. Go.
You want to get it?
Yeah.
No ground now. Get on your face. Get down on your face now. Put your hands behind your back. Is there anybody else that you came up here in the store with you? Hey, let's make sure nobody showed up with her. Hey, did anybody else get out of that car with her and come inside? I need to know, like, I'm not playing. Did anybody else come in that car? This little boy knows that. Okay.
Lincoln MKZ.
Yeah, I am. Just where did the letter go?
Tonight with a lawsuit in Northwest Arkansas. We thank you for joining us. I'm Rolly Hoyt. Faith is the night off. This Arkansas woman you see in this dash cam video behind the car right there, she says state police held her at gunpoint for no good reason. You can see it's a gas station. She had a 4-year-old in her car. And now 4 years later, she's bringing a lawsuit. Laura Castleman talks to a law enforcement expert who says she's got a case.
Now. 5 News obtained 2 different dash cam videos showing the moment state police surrounded Payton Mallia's car in a Casey's parking lot back in July of 2024. The officers drew their guns, cuffed her, and told her to get on the ground.
Okay. What's that Apple AirTag?
Seconds later, one of the troopers says they surrounded the wrong car.
This isn't it?
You can hear Mallia's 4-year-old son crying in the background. Once officers realize she's not who they're looking for, they take off the cuffs and then tell her that they were looking for a double homicide suspect in a car like hers. She's let out of the cuffs and then asked for her driver's license. We talked with the law enforcement training expert Dr. Randy Nelson, who says the officer didn't have that right.
You have a right not to be searched or detained or anything if you haven't done anything.
After seeing the video, Nelson says what was a huge misunderstanding went farther than that, especially after the troopers learned that they had the wrong car.
Some of the actions after, the actions of now you have something to tell, or running a check on her, see for warrant or any criminal activity after they knew she was not the individual looking for.
You have a little story for that.
Mallia has filed a federal lawsuit accusing 4 troopers of unreasonable and excessive deadly force in a busy Casey's parking lot.
It wasn't the right person, nor did it turn out to be the right car. After all that was found out, that's where you have to get into running the check on and see if she had a warrant or suggestion that now you have something to tell.
According to the court documents, officers were looking for a 2013 white Lincoln MKZ. Mallia drove a white 2009 Lincoln MKS. Visibly shaken up, the video shows Mallia complying with all of their commands.
All right, y'all are free to go. Okay. We apologize for the inconvenience.
That woman and her child were traumatized by this incident, and we have to do everything in our power to ensure that unintended consequences of making a mistake does not go beyond the pale.
Okay, guys, I'm back. My heart go out to her and her baby. When I heard the baby crying, it broke my heart. The little baby didn't know what was going on. But she have a case. And if I were her, hit him in the pocket. She need to hit him in the pocket because this is wrong. And I do agree with the gentleman when he was talking. Once they found out she was the wrong person, they should have let her go. But what they did, or ran a check on her driver's license so they could justify the reason why they stopped her. Now they found out that she don't have a criminal record, no one looking for her. So they had to tell the truth. See, they was depending on her driver's license. So if they had a warrant, then they could say we had to stop you for that. This is all I have on this. I thought this was something that I want to bring out on my channel. So, and then the young ones are looking at my channel, they can see when you know you in the right, you have no reason to fear anything. Okay? So when the police pull you over, you know you haven't done anything at all. Go ahead on, apply, do what they said. Once they find out it's not you and they let you go, you make that phone call to your lawyer and hit them in the pocket. Yes, hit them in the pocket. Because you have rights too. You have rights. They have a job to do. And all four of those guys couldn't figure out they had the wrong car. I understand that the license plates look almost different, but you had the other car that had more than one person in the car. The other car didn't have a baby in there. So just because you seen a white car, you grabbed the white car. So you have 4 police chasing one car, and they didn't get it right. 4 cops chasing one vehicle, and they couldn't get it right. So, yes, if I were that young lady, she's 34 years old, that baby was traumatized. That baby was crying. That little boy didn't know what was going on. She need to go ahead on and get her lawsuit together and sue them and get her money and take care of her child. Because if you started hitting the ones in the pocket like your authority, and I'm not, hey, I'm not saying just sue just to be suing, but when they in the wrong, you need to do what you have to do, okay? Because this was uncalled for. All 4 of those cops need to be punished. Yes, they need to go to some kind of class, and they need to be disciplined, because that was not the way to do that. You had 4 people with a gun on one lady. And you had one man walk up to the store. I don't know who you were looking for, probably looking for someone else, someone in the car. But you had all of them have a gun on this poor little lady and her son in the costume. So guys, let this be a lesson. If you know you haven't done anything, you can go ahead on, hold your hand up like she did, give her your driver license, and then once it's over with, then you take action. And I pray and hope that the state will pay her what she needs and get some help for her and the baby, especially the little baby, because he's going to be, traumatized for a while. But he'll get over it. He's young. So guys, I just wanted you to listen at this video. And young people, please use self-control. Self-control, it can save your life. Because if she were one of the ones that were nasty and jumping all up in front of our face, they could have shot her. And then come find out she would have been the wrong person. And she would have been deceased for no reason. But she went on and applied. She did what she had to do to save her life and her child life. So, okay, guys, this is all I have on this one. Thank you so much. Thank you for clicking on my video and listen to the YouTube video. Until next time, please use self-control and common sense. And I'll talk to you later. Peace out.